Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I haven't posted anything in a while, so I thought today I would do a packing video, do my first packing video. We are going to Austin today. We are heading up there for South by Southwest. If you have been following on Instagram, you'll know that our startup got accepted into the Pitch Accelerator, so we are going to be going there and presenting. This is our first time at South by Southwest, so we've done some research about what we need to pack and just thought we'd make a quick video and show you guys what we ended up bringing and pass on this vital information.
I am no beauty guru, so I won't go over all the makeup that I'm bringing with me, but I did want to share a couple products that I'm packing that have been useful in the past. First is this Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion Ultra Longwear Foundation. I'm bringing this because it's super matte and actually is longwear. This is important if you're going to be out all day running around or presenting and you don't necessarily have time to stop and touch up your makeup. I actually found this number 7 beautifully matte foundation in my gym bag when I was packing. It turned out to be full coverage and quite matte, and it's a bit of a dupe for the Laura Mercier longwear. Then I have the Stila Perfectly Poreless Putty Perfector. I like this one because it has an airbrushed finish. Also by Stila is the Heaven's Hue Highlighter in Kitten. Going back to Laura Mercier, I'm also bringing a travel-sized setting powder. I like this one because it doesn't flash back white or yellow or other weird colors. Then I have the Cosmetics Clarity Serum. This product is tea tree oil, witch hazel, grapefruit extract, and rosemary, and it reduces oil production and inflammation. You are probably noticing a bit of a theme here. Next is Tarte's Fake Awake Eyeliner. This goes on your waterline and helps you look more alert even if you are running low on sleep.
For the first day, that's the day that we're presenting, I wanted something that looked good on stage and is really simple and, you know, not too busy. So I have this really great pair of black high-waisted skinny jeans from, wait for it, Topshop. And I really like these because I'm short and these are like 7/8 length jeans, so they actually fit me perfectly and I don't have to get them altered, so a win there. Depending how cold it is, I just packed a little jacket, blazer thing in case I need to be professional and look like an adult. This is just from H&M. Shameless self-promotion, we had t-shirts made that have our little feature site logo on them. I'm going to be wearing that as well. Try this again. So on day 2, I'm not really sure what is going to be happening, so for that I just have a cute pair of jeans, skinny jeans, and then a little plum top to go with that. Most people actually go to South by Southwest to go to all the parties. We don't have any plans for that as of yet, but you never know, so I am bringing this cute little bodysuit top from Guess. It has a little like bow collar thing, so you can dress it up, dress it down, and it's just really simple and it goes with both of the jeans that I'm bringing. And then the second option is this dress. It's just a simple little black dress from Felicity and Coco that I got at Nordstrom's. The cat sat on it earlier, so it's covered in cat hair. I'll have to get that sorted out before I wear it. For shoes, I got these boots from Guess also. I'm pretty excited about these. And then I will bring some running shoes and these guys, which are just basic black pumps. Does it make a heart? Almost. Did actually get some sage advice from people that had gone to South by Southwest in previous years, and one of the things they said was to bring an empty suitcase. So I am going to be bringing this empty duffel bag with us from Herschel, I don't know. These guys, I like their stuff. It's good. I've had this bag forever. This bag went all across Europe with me. And to Australia, so we're gonna bring that. And they say to bring an extra bag because you get a lot of swag like t-shirts and gifts and baseball caps and things like that. I don't actually need any more of that stuff, but I'm probably not gonna say no if someone hands it to me. So yes, empty bag, especially vital if you are flying into Austin for this event. Speaking of packing, I live and die by the packing cube. I got a set of these from CalPack, just in like a fairly boring neutral gray. They come in all different sizes. This one has my pajamas and I think just my pajamas in it, but I'm gonna pack everything else into these cute little packing cubes and put them in my bag. I highly recommend these no matter where you're going. I love them. I give them to people as gifts. I ask for them as gifts at Christmas and they are really helpful.
Business cards aren't really necessary anymore, and you definitely don't need to bring them with you. If you do need business cards for whatever reason, I can recommend these extra luxe ones from Moo. They're pretty nice. I'm also bringing my Felix Gray computer glasses with me so I can work while we're away. You can get these online for about $70 with or without a prescription.
I guess I didn't talk about this giant hairbrush thing. One of my friends recommended this Revlon like hair dryer, hairbrush, straightening iron, volumizer thing, and I saw that Ulta had them in, so I am gonna give it a go. It is massive, so if I don't love it, I'm gonna return it, but I have high hopes for this thing. I already tried running it through my hair and it didn't get tangled, so I'm taking that as a good sign.
My last tip is bag inception, which I originally learned from Carly Chrisman, shout out. This is where you pack bags inside of bags to save space but maximize options.
Okay, I think that is going to be it for this video. I hope you found it helpful or in the least entertaining trying to watch me pack for an event that I have never been to. We will, like I said, be vlogging this entire weekend, so check back for more videos and we will see you guys next time. Okay, bye!